Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Fill in the blank using suitable linker. Linker na use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳವನ್ನ ತುಂಬಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. Kapil's mother could not read the time dash she knew it was early in the morning. Okay, Kapil's mother could not read the time dash she knew it was early in the morning. Okay. ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಓಕೆ ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅ ಪ್ರಿಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಲಿಂಕರ್ is a phrase which adds two sentences or a word which adds two sentences like addition. There are many types of linkers are there: addition linkers, contrast linkers, reason linkers, result, and time or order. Okay, so for example, also, but, however, because, so, then ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಲಿಂಕರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Here Kapil's mother could not read the time is one sentence, isn't it? Could not read the time, this is one sentence, and she knew it was early in the morning ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜೋಡಿಸುವ ಪದ ಲಿಂಕರ್. ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಟ್. Even though she did not know, could not read the time, she knew it was early in the morning. Kapil's mother could not read the time, but she knew it was early in the morning. Okay. Next one ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Kapil remembered the lady dash lived down the road ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. You have to fill suitable linker here. Okay. So Kapil remembered the lady who lived down the road. Okay. So ಆ ರೋಡಿನ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಲೇಡಿಯನ್ನ ಕಪಿಲ್ ಬಲ್ಲರಾಗಿದ್ದರು. Okay. So these are about linkers. Thank you.